Stellar is currently a middle-of-the-road digital currency with a value of 0.134832. It belongs to the group of mineable coins and has a market price of $3.65 billion. In the past few years, digital forms of money like Stellar have gained a lot of traction in the international financial world. They are now being traded like traditional resources like stocks and foreign currencies. Forex, which for the most part is very critical at this especially specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Stellar to the level at 0.134832 where it at present sits, or so they especially thought, as currently referenced XLM essentially is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by possesses the 24th spot. In worldwide digital money rankings, the fundamentally metric that for the most not entirely set in stone by duplicating the genuinely current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. On account of Stellar, the market capitalization in a real sense remains at 3.653069440 when the significance of this boundary will fundamentally be, for the most part, made sense of later in a large enormous manner. Our cost forecast calculation explicitly is planned, and certainly such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource. Being referred to in a real sense, give our endorsers the most reliable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently evaluate the condition of their portfolio and fundamentally choose whether or not it in a real sense needs to by and large be reconfigured, showing how at this very specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Stellar to the level at 0.134832 where it right now sits in an unobtrusive manner. Our calculation likewise gives kind of unique consideration to verifiable information which truly is somewhat vital for the fundamentally right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its present and future heading, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought underneath, you will find exceptionally key selections of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could sort of have a comprehension of where the Stellar market certainly is going, or so they explicitly thought yesterday, July 20th, at the end of the two trade sessions. XLM was worth 0.098576. Since trading in digital currencies happens every day, most trading sessions stop at 12 p.m. The cost change rate over the given time period was 38.82% in every way. 7 days ago, on July 19th, Stellar was traded at 0.100540 at the end of the trading meeting, which was a 0% change from its price near its current position, or so they thought. On June 13th, which was almost exactly a month ago, examiners traded XLM at 0.083095. The real price level is 62.26 points away from where it is now. The price of XLM and the values of XFIX, in particular, are by all accounts at that level. Not the only thing we use to figure out how much something will cost, which is very important. Market capitalization is another important metric that helps traders decide how popular a digital currency is and what its future prospects might be, or so they thought. They also thought it could be used to figure out how much Stellar is worth in the real-world digital currency market, even though most people think the formula for figuring out market capitalization is more complicated than that. As of the time of writing, the market capitalization of XLM generally stays at 3.653069440, which makes it the 24th biggest coin on the crypto market. 7 days ago, on July 19th, the value of XLM was 2.717545,816 Ursabai. A month ago, on June 13th, no one really knew how much capital was flowing into this company. Market totaled 2.234.301.72, which is especially important for most digital money financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization also determines the risks of a by and large certain digital currency and its ability to by and large and/or disturbances, which are very common on this highly unpredictable market. It has become clear that Stellar's market capitalization allows it to be called a mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the market. Financial backers generally stick to the rule that market capitalization also determines the risks of a certain digital currency and its ability to withstand disturbances, which are a common occurrence on this highly volatile market. The type of largest stockpile, which usually refers to the number of coins that would be made on and in every practical sense by a particular blockchain during its lifetime. The really complete inventory, which is the number of coins that have already been delivered since the project started. The flowing inventory, which is the number of coins that are ready to be used so that everything that really matters can be traded on trade stages. Stellar's biggest supply is 500,180,612 XLM, and the total amount of XLM right now is 5,001,787,279 coins. Basically, the amount of digital currency under audit is 2,709 3,511 173 XLM, which is why this stellar price estimate is so important. Wolden T would not be complete without a description of the trading volume available. This is because it is the measurement that almost all digital currency traders use to confirm the strength of a pattern and the reasonability of a market move. For example, if the breakout to a potential gain is happening on the back of a low trading volume, this could be a sign that the breakout is not as strong as it could be. Wouldn't be quite done without a description of the trading amount available question, which is the most basic metric used by almost all digital currency traders. Bitcoin price predictions and Ethereum price predictions, BTC and ETH drop nearly 5%, weekend bounce? Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most well-known coins, have both lost a lot of value. BTC is now worth $29,780 and ETH is worth $1,889. As buyers keep a close eye on these events, they need to look into the technical outlook to figure out what the price might do in the next few days. The goal of this Bitcoin and Ethereum price forecast is to look at recent price changes and see if BTC and ETH might get a boost before the weekend. How much will Bitcoin cost? From an analytical point of view, Bitcoin is trading just above a key support level at $29,500. A triple bottom pattern in the 4-hour window is another sign that this support level is correct. Both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, show a negative trend. The RSI is at 42, and the MACD is below zero. At $29,995, just below the psychological level of $30,000, the 50-day exponential moving average works as a resistance level. Taking these things into account, it is likely that Bitcoin will stay negative and stay below $30,000.